Welcome, innovators and trailblazers, to Another Ventures. Today, we are pleased to introduce you to our digital venture studio. At the forefront of startup innovation, we create and nurture startups, helping them grow into success stories of tomorrow. It is where bold ideas meet the right resources and expertise. After nurturing many tech startups, we are now extending our expertise to SMB and corporates through our tailored venture services. It is your avenue for online growth, new product creation, and fruitful collaborations with startups. Imagine harnessing the startup agility to fast-track your business goals. Our platform development service helps build robust digital platforms, while iAutomation streamlines your operations to drive efficiency. And with our Innovation Outpost, you get to partner and invest in promising startups, opening doors to mutually beneficial collaborations. At Another Ventures, we are geared to accelerate your growth by infusing startup agility into your ventures, propelling you towards a future filled with endless possibilities. Step into the world of Another Ventures, where your ambitions are met with a powerhouse of expertise and innovation. Together, let's embark on a journey of growth and innovation that transcends the ordinary. It is your pathway to a remarkable success.